Folks, this is Jay Austin from WoodWorking Blues. Thought I would demonstrate the belt sander I got from the open box deal at Harbor Freight. This is the second one I have. Both of them work fine. I've demonstrated a short video with him. I wanted to go a little bit longer with him and show you what I'm doing. Lately I've been making these mounts right here. Got to clean them up a little bit. The holes are crooked. I don't really care because it's just for me. Made him for some other drill bits that I need to mount up closer to the wood shop workbench so it's more accessible. Similar to this. The outcomes will be these guys. That was my first one over here. I do have a lot of these mounted up, the magnetic ones, also from Harbor Freight. $5, $6, $4 with a coupon. Sometimes you catch them on sale, sometimes they'll be with, you'll see a free coupon with them. So keep an eye out for that. So we're gonna get busy. And in the middle of this, I'll be cleaning them a couple of times with this rubber cleaning tool, like a giant eraser. So let's get going. We'll see how it works out. You get the idea. It's pretty good. Still have a lot of work to do on him. I need to bore out these holes. I'm going to use my Dremel. Y'all seen that demonstration? Not my Dremel. I don't own a Dremel. My Wind rotary tool with flex shaft. That's what I use to kind of round these holes out, make them a little bigger, clean them up a little more, and sand him, stain him, and maybe put a little lacquer on him so he looks kind of like these guys. Like I say, I have these guys here. I use these a lot, but for the tools I use the most, I want them closer and I want them more secured. It's easy to knock these things off the magnets. So when I want my tools to be really secure, I use something like this. These are about 25 inches. I make it from a 2x2 8-foot pine, soft pine, very easy, very inexpensive, about $3 for that 2x2 8. So keep that in mind, and it comes out really nice. Now I just got to find the room to mount him at. You saw me using him. he started jumping around because the clamp I had him clamped down here. I had him clamped down with this one, but it fell off. I didn't have him secured enough. So he started jumping around a little bit, so I kind of had to hold him. You saw me clean him up a little bit with this one. Let's do that again real fast just to show you how easy that is. Oh yeah, it looks like a brand new belt. I just started using him recently. He will extend the life of your belt. He will save you money. So continue or look for him. $7, Harbor Freight. No, I'm not compensated by him or them or anybody else. These are just some of the tools I use. So that was my quick demonstration of my Chicago electric 3x21-inch power sander or belt sander. Now again, this is my second one. This is the one I got from the open box deal. Very happy with it. You saw me adjusting the belt. Sometimes it gets off track. Watch it again. I think a lot of folks don't use this because they don't know how to get him on track. That little knob right there is the key. He has to be running. He has to be moving. You notice I use him upside down. I use him upside down 90% of the time because I make small wood projects. That's why I use him upside down. I usually clamp him better than that. You saw him fall off. You got to be careful, guys. It can bite you. Even a sander like this, something innocent like this, can still jump off and bite you. So that was my fault. I didn't clamp it down good enough. I will next time. So until then, I hope you like this demo. Like, comment, subscribe, and always remember,